Hello everyone, I'm JD with HOI Exposed. Today I want to talk about where all the profits go when insurance companies don't have years of large payoffs. Today you are going to hear my opinion as to what happens to us homeowners. This video is going to explain how insurance corporate greed affects all of us high-paying premium policyholders. The crying game, how insurance companies always win and homeowners always lose. Every year, millions of U.S. Americans send in their homeowners insurance premiums, month after month, year after year, like clockwork. It's a peace of mind payment, a quiet hope that if disaster ever strikes, there's a safety net waiting to catch us. But when the sky cracks open, when fires roar through our towns, hurricanes level our homes, or record snow collapses rooftops and buildings, suddenly those same insurance companies that promised us protection turn into penny pinchers singing the same sad song. We just can't afford this kind of loss. It's unsustainable. It's a catastrophe. Cue up the violins. The insurance industry, with its billion-dollar bottom lines, puts on its annual crying game after every large-scale disaster, painting themselves as the victims of climate change, fraud, or unforeseen risks. And then the hammer falls. Seriously, this is what is happening in the insurance world. I'm not joking. Some of these insurance companies create a sense that they are the victims here. Are you kidding me? Rates skyrocket. Policies get dropped. Coverage shrinks. Meanwhile, these corporations never mention the countless years without disaster where they quietly raked in profits hand over fist. They don't bring up the decades of low claims, of stable weather cycles, of policyholders paying premiums and never filing a claim. They certainly don't talk about the interest they made in those dollars, or the bonuses their CEOs took home, or the dividends shelled out to investors year after year. Honestly, this is what is happening, and these companies are getting away with it. Heaven forbid that the CEOs or their investors to take a cut, so they put their losses onto us, the policyholders. I thought we as policyholders were the reason that these insurance companies were in existence. You see, insurance companies bank on your silence. They count on the public not noticing that in their world, they always win. Remember, one of my favorite sayings, insurance companies are like casinos. They want you to play, but they don't want you to win. When times are good, they profit. When times are bad, they raise your premiums or drop you. You must love a business platform that creates a win-win every single time they write a policy. Why is it that the policyholder gets screwed? And the insurance companies, you know, the ones with all the money, win every time. Where is their so-called shared risk? Where's the shared risk they preach about? Where's the responsibility to be ready, to hold reserves the way they insist homeowners must? It's nowhere. Because the industry as it stands today is not about protection, it's about profit. Let's be real, we as homeowners are getting squeezed. We follow the rules, we insure our homes, we pay on time, and when disaster strikes instead of help, we get nothing but excuses, delays, denials, underpayments, and a trail of red tape designed to wear us down. The insurance industry, bloated with corporate greed, has gamed the system. They've mastered the art of appearing broke while posting record profits. They've turned disaster into an opportunity, not for rebuilding homes, but for restructuring policies to benefit themselves. And still, somehow, we, the insured, becomes the villain, accused of fraud, of exaggeration, of not understanding the policy. We are left battling for scraps while executives sign off on new yachts or personal aircraft. For fun, Google how much these CEOs are making with all these insurance companies. It's astronomical and it sickens my stomach. Here's the truth. If an industry can afford billions in executive compensation and shareholder payouts, it can afford to honor the claims to the people who keep it alive. But that's not the business model. The business model is simple. Take as much as possible, give as little as possible, and blame the weather. So, let's call it what it is, a rigged system, a game of smoke and mirrors where the deck is stacked and the homeowner always loses. Insurance companies can silence us individually, but they can't silence us in numbers. Again, please join in this movement and join in and let your stories be heard. Let the world know what these insurance companies are doing. Homeowners insurance corporate greed is rampant and it needs to stop. These insurance companies don't stop. They want more and more from us homeowners. We go broke while they get richer. If you can, and only if you can afford to donate, please do so. Please like and share this video to everyone that you know. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. As always, everyone stay safe out there. I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Please like and share this video. I'm JD and I'm out of here for now.